In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Hello everyone, welcome to Mathematics Basic to Advanced level. In this lecture, I will solve AJK PSC 2019 MCQs, that is, if dimension FV is equal to M, then dimension VF is equal to solution theorem, that is, let x and y be vector spaces over the field F with dimension x equal to M and dimension y is equal to N, then dimension home set xy equal to Mn. Here dimension Fv is equal to M and dimension Ff is equal to 1. So according to condition, that is, dimension of V is equal to M and dimension of F. So first let's suppose F is equal to 1 because x is a field, hence dimension VF is equal to M into 1 is equal to M. So option C is correct, which is the required solution. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.